Sorry, Demi, I'm going to ask you something you're not going to like. Do you mind, please, lying down here, please, Demi? Hi everybody, I hope you're well. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a 10-minute natural light portrait shoot challenge with my friends Demi and James. I'm going to be taking all the photographs in this video on just one lens. One camera, one lens, and I've chosen my favourite lens, that is the Sony 35mm f1.8 lens. Now this is not going to be easy because this is one of the hardest locations I've ever had to shoot in. We are outside my friend Neil Ridley's studio today. The studio is amazing, outside not so much. It's basically just an industrial estate. So I'm going to try and create some really nice portraits in very difficult conditions. Not only is the location not that great, but also we are still a good 4+ hours away from sunset. So the light is really, really harsh. This could end up being rubbish, but we'll see how we get on. So let's go get Demi and James. So here we go, we have James and Demi in position. I've got the timer here. I'm going to press start, pass the phone to Helen. There we go, 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to move you a little bit further over here and a little bit further towards the back of that's it, yeah, perfect. And then Demi, if you can just be facing the light side on, and then James, you're just going to wrap your arms around. I have used Demi and James before, as you'll know. They've been in many of my videos, so they do know what I'd like them to do. So it is a little bit of a cheat in that sense, but I'm just showing you here how you can use the natural light even when it's really harsh in difficult conditions to make really nice images. Gorgeous. Can I just ask you just to put your right arm just round your waist, like that? That's it, yeah. Gorgeous, you two, perfect. Just gotta just move you around a little bit so you're both facing the light a little bit more. That's it, and just gorgeous, you two. Really good. Little shake of the hips, Demi. Beautiful. Perfect, now I'm going to just cause a bit of separation. If I can just move you here, please, James. And then, Demi, if you can just be using the veil just to let it fly into the wind, hopefully it will. Yeah, very cool. So I'm changing my focus point here between James and Demi. That's brilliant, Demi. Excellent, you two. Beautiful. Just looking into the light for me, Demi. Yes. Demi is a genius when it comes to rocking that veil. Look into the light. Got it. Okay, perfect. Okay, I'm going to bring you over here now, please. Can I ask how we're doing for the timer, Helen?
You can.
Hopefully less than 2 minutes.
8 minutes and 11 left.
Perfect. So, James, if I can just put you just with your back against here. Excellent. Just going to look down here, just with your head as far back as you can go. That's it, yes. Just using the reflection here. There is no direct light on James here, which is good. And now, Demi, if you can just stand just in front of James for me. Yes, sorry, yeah. So we'll put you with your back against here, Demi, yeah. Then James, you've got to get really close together. Maybe one step further away from me, if that's okay. This is just so I can get a bit more reflection into the window. And if you can put your back right against there, Demi. And then as close as you can get, both of you. Good, really good. So I'm just making sure that we've got the reflection in here as well. Show you about this pink flower, but never mind. Let's go down here. Yeah, can I just move you back a little bit? You're perfect, just because of this pink flower. No, no. Thank you very much. That's good. Good, you two. Gorgeous. Perfect. Okay, actually, while we're here, let's just shoot through this. So, like you were. That's good. Perfect, thank you very much. Okay, we'll come around here. As you'll see now as we go around the corner how just like difficult this is as a location to shoot in. But it's good to be challenged. Gonna go to this grill here now, I think. I'm gonna shoot down this grill to create really cool leading lines. Just we shot James on his own, I'm going to shoot Demi on her own here. Demi, if I can actually put your back against here, this is hot, so don't actually touch it. As always with these portraits, I'm shooting wide open. If you take one step further forward, if that's okay. Yeah, it is so hot in the UK today. And this grill is really, really roasting.
6 minutes.
That's gorgeous, Demi. Really good. Really good. Just looking into the light, Demi, if that's okay. Amazing. Perfect, thank you. James, Demi, can I ask you now to stand here just holding hands, if that's okay? Just, yeah, right, yeah, but both fronts on, just right in the middle. So one set, that's it, yeah. Just playing here with the symmetry. And it was James's birthday yesterday, so please leave a happy birthday message to James in the comments. Gorgeous. And just looking at each other, if that's all right. And just wafting that veil, Demi. Yeah, good. Gorgeous. Okay, I might have to bleep this bit. I'm going to ask James and Demi to play a game here where they're going to say very rude words to each other. So instead of letting you hear that, I'm going to play some of the podcast that we will be recording over the top.
No.
It's not what people think you're laughing at, obviously,
No,
is it?
it's
all these
unique.
soft, cute images, and it's like built on absolute
Lies.
filth and lies.
It's probably one of my favourite moments because it was so dead on. I'm glad that someone filmed actually, so we can have it forever.
Yeah.
I think
If a
they
cow
were
runs you
approaching
over,
us
go
and
with
like
it.
yeah, because a cow could run at you.
Brutal. Like when Neil's in work mode, watch out. Like he just wants to get his shot.
I'm really looking to play with these light and shadow areas, but we did have a better one over here, so I'm going to hope that is still there. I also, when I was scoping out before, saw this black door with the white wall, and I think that's going to be really cool to play with. So,
4 minutes.
oh, yeah. So I do have a few ideas, but with obviously 10 minutes is very quick. So I think if I can just have you both. Demi, if I can put you here, please. Do you have your veil wrapped around you this time? Actually, no. We'll see if we can fly it there. And Jane, can you stand in here against the white? If that's okay, please. So you can be playing with your tie or something. And just one step over this way, Demi, if that's okay. And just one step this way, James. That's it. Just so there's that little gap. One step over, Demi, if that's... Yeah, perfect. And then, yeah, that's good. If you can be looking at each other for me, and then if you can just waft that veil for me. Just your left hand, Demi, if that's okay. That's good. So you can see what I'm trying to do is play with the black and the white. And now I'm going to put you really close, facing each other, if that's okay, but a little tiny gap, again, with that line right in the middle of you. So you're going to go one step forward, Demi, if that's okay. And Demi, if you can just pull this little bit of hair back on this side, if that's okay. That's it, yeah. So there's a little gap between you. Good. Perfect. Excellent. Brilliant. Thank you. Okay. How are we doing for time, Helen?
2 minutes, 35 seconds.
Sorry, Demi. I'm going to ask you something you're not going to like. Demi is amazing. Here are James and Demi's Instagrams. Please go and give them a follow for the reasons that I'm going to show you now. So do you mind, please, lying down here, please, Demi? This will just be Demi. Just so you're lying with your back there, so you're going to be facing the light with your head. So your head will be here, looking that way. And again, I'm playing with the light and shadow on the floor. That will just put that behind you. So if you want to...
Just to remind you, all the photographs that you see in my videos were edited using my Lightroom preset pack, which you can download from my website. The pack includes my presets, brushes, magic masks, and a 100-minute editing tutorial video in which I show you exactly how I edit my photographs.
Yeah, that's exactly there, Demi. The light has luckily fell. That's it, yeah. So good.
1.5 minutes.
Perfect. It's difficult here. I mean, you're having to use the flippy screen and rely on eye autofocus to get the focus. Check. And I've got to go nice and close. Yeah, but just lift your head up a little bit, Demi. Just looking towards that light again, just for you guys. That's it. Perfect. Okay, thank you. We'll try one last shot. I'm going to keep you over here. How are we doing now, Helen?
It's 55 seconds.
Okay, so Demi and James, I'm going to keep you here. I'm going to just to link arms, if that's right. You're going to walk towards, once I'm behind this bin, I'm going to ask you just to walk towards me, please. And I can just look at each other. That's it. Good. What's the time, Helen?
28 seconds.
Perfect. Perfect. Now you're just going to face each other, if that's right. Just going to be silhouette. So exactly as you are. Then if you can just waft that veil, please, Demi. Yeah.
5, 4,
Look at it,
3,
James.
2, 1.
Perfect. There we go, 10 minutes in one of the hardest places I've ever had to shoot. Just a, well, not horrible, it is horrible, industrial estate in Lancashire. Here are my favourite photographs from this shoot. Huge thank you to Demi and James, not just for this shoot, but also for coming on to the Flashmasters podcast. Again, that's completely free to listen to. The link is in the description. It's going to be a really fun one to make. Yes, please remember to wish James a happy birthday. We're going off now to eat some cake. So as always, if you have any questions about anything I've done in this video, please do let me know in the comments. Thank you to Helen for filming as well and keeping time, even though I think you were a bit tight with that time. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you next time.